I'm making what's called creamy grape salad today, and it is so simple, so easy to make, and I probably shouldn't even be doing a video on it, but I just wanted to get this out there because it's such a good salad. All right, let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm going to start with an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, the sugar, a cup of sour cream, and a little vanilla bean paste. I'm going to mix this until everything is smooth and creamy. This is ready. 4 pounds of grapes, 2 pounds of green grapes, and 2 pounds of red grapes. Get fresh, crisp grapes. Wash the grapes and dry them in a cup towel or using paper towels, but make sure they're dry. Remember, your grapes should be cold and dry. Then you should have no problem with this creamy dressing remaining on the grapes. Days later, the leftovers look just like this. Every grape still coated. All right, and I use this size pecans. These are called bits. I get them from Bertol Pecan Farm. Now you just use the grapes and the brown sugar at the time of serving. The brown sugar will liquefy and cause the coating on the grapes to sink to the bottom. If I have a lot of people here, I just set the whole bowl on the table, and I have a small bowl of the pecans and the brown sugar just like I have here, and they can put it on there themselves. And there you have it, a quick, easy, refreshing grape salad. Sweet, crunchy grapes covered in sweet cream cheese, and then for an extra bonus, sprinkled with brown sugar and a touch of pecan bits on top of that. It's great for a little snack or dessert. I've taken this to potluck dinners, barbecues, baby showers, and wedding showers, but wherever it goes, it's a hit. Well, this was a short video. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.